how to add the Google Drive scan as PDF document to the home screen on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, touch and hold on a blank spot on the home screen. Then tap on Widgets at the bottom. Next, we scroll down and then tap on Drive. In here, tap on Drive Scan. Drag the shortcut or the widget to your home screen and let go. In here, choose where you want to upload your file to. So I'm going to select the default folder, untitled folder, or you can create a new folder called Scan Documents. Let me try that again. And then tap on Create. And then tap on Select. And that's it. So now we name it Scan Document. So I can tap on that and then put my camera and then tap on the capture button. And then after you can choose to crop, filter, clean, or you can retake. After you can tap on Done. And then you can give your file a name and then tap on Save. And that will store all your scanned documents into that folder in your Google Drive. And that's it. So having a shortcut on your home screen can be handy, allowing you to quickly scan documents and then save it as a PDF on your device. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.